What should a good quality manual include and what should be avoided?
That's a great question. A quality manual is a document that outlines a company's quality management system and how it complies with the requirements of a particular quality standard such as ISO 9001. While there's no set, format for a quality manual, as also it's not a requirement anymore by ISO 9001, as also some of the other ISO standards. There are a few key elements that organizations must consider in drafting it. Firstly, the manual should be written for users of the system and not for a certification body auditor or other auditors that may audit the system perhaps once a year. It should provide an overview of the company's QMS and how management objectives and customer requirements are met. This should be done in a clear and concise manner using language that is easy for both the users of the system and for the auditors to understand. Secondly, the manual should outline the company's processes and procedures for how you do work. It must capture your as is, including how your organizations measure and monitors the processes that you have, how it identifies and manages risk, and how it ensures continuous improvement. It must be clear to the users of the system what is needed and how it is to be done. Thirdly, the manual should cross reference relevant documentation that are used as part of the system, such as forms, templates, etc. Because the system is there to let them know how it connects to other parts of the system itself and where to find these documentation. It must also highlight their roles and responsibilities so they are clear on the expectations from them, what they can do, cannot do, and what they must do. In conclusion, when designing a quality manual, remember that the ISO standards do not require it to be aligned to the clause structure of the standard. This manual should be designed in a way that is user friendly and easy to navigate. This will help ensure that employees are able to understand and meet the company's requirements and your requirements as the leadership. A cross reference to ISO standards may be included for audit purposes and to make it easier for an auditor to reference your system when they visit.